Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video in Mash. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an audio effect. It's quite funky looking, and you may recognise the effect I'm going for, you may not. Anyway, let's begin. So I'm going to start by holding Shift, right mouse button, cube. I'm going to come up and I'm going to make a Mash network. So I have my 10 shapes, and now I'm going to go to Mash distribute, and I'm going to change it from linear to radial, and I'm going to set the number of points to, let's say, 50. Yeah, that looks nice. So now I'm going to go to my Mash, which is here, Mash 1, and I'm going to add a color node. So I'm going to add color node, and I'm going to mess with a few of these random values. I'm just going to set them all to something different. And I'm even going to change the random seed, which is something we'll get to in a bit. So now I'm going to go back to Mash 1, and I'm going to add audio. I'm going to add an audio node, and it's going to ask me to select a file to insert into it. So I'm going to choose my file. So my computer on G drive, and I'm going to select this file. It's a WAV file. For some reason, Maya doesn't like MP3s. So anyway, I've got my WAV file, and if I press, I need to set the renders to 32. Now if I press play, you can see that they're sort of reacting with music. So you may have also noticed that there's no audio in this. What we need to do to fix that is go to File Explorer, find where I've saved my music to, and then just drag it into the time slider, which should be quite easy to do. You shouldn't have any problem doing that. So I'll just drag that in and extract my File Explorer, because I'm done with that now. Now if we press play, Great. You can hear it. But I want it to be more excuse me. I want the radio circle to be more, I want more radio circles. So I'm going to go back into Mash 1. And I'm going to insert a replicator node, and I'm going to put the value at 100. And I've made 100 copies. I'm gonna turn off the grid because that thing bugs me, and I'm going to press play. And now not only does the audio affect that one circle, it affects all of them. So, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and share this video around with all your friends if you enjoyed it. Have a good day.